welcome back to my channel. This is Onyx Food Hill. Thank you for joining me today. I'll be showing you how to skim your milk or how to make low fat milk, how to separate your cream from your whole milk. To separate cream from whole milk, I'm using the raw cow's milk. If you don't have the raw cow's milk, you can use a non-homogenized milk. That's the milk that has some of its fat content intact. So this is the raw milk I'm using. There are two methods to do this. You can either leave the milk to stand on your counter for 24 hours, then use a spoon to scoop out the cream that is floated on top. So if you are going to leave the milk to stand on your counter, it's best you place it on a transparent container. The line between the cream and the milk will separate, so you use a spoon to scoop it. Or if you're going to be using the boiling method, you can bring the milk into a pot or a saucepan. This is a full cream milk. It hasn't been boiled yet. Okay, so I'm just going to place this on the stove top, then allow it to simmer on low heat. So I'm just going to reduce the heat so it boils slowly. Okay, once this is heated up, I'm going to use a ladle to just stir this. I'll just keep stirring this slightly so it doesn't boil over or burn at the bottom. Still leave this to boil for at least 10 minutes. This has fully come to a boil, so just keep stirring this slightly so it doesn't burn over. Make sure your heat is reduced. You're going to make sure this boils for 10 minutes. Start perceiving a burnt smell, you can just take it off heat immediately. Otherwise, keep boiling this. Just after it's 10 minutes, I'm going to turn up the heat. I'm going to bring this down and leave it to cool at room temperature. You brought it down from heat, allow this to cool on its own without stirring, so you don't disturb it, so that the cream will form at the top. Obviously, you can see the cream is starting to form at the top, so don't disturb this, leave it on its own to rest until it cools at room temperature. Okay guys, after leaving this for hours to rest, there's a hard layer that has been formed. That's the creamy layer, which is the fat. We are going to gently skim it, so I'm going to be using a large spoon to skim this off. You don't need this. Okay, so you can heat this the second time on the stove top if you want to remove more fat, but I think I'm done. I'm not going to be removing the fat again. I just wanted showing you how to skim your milk. This is the fat we have gotten. You can use this to make butter or any other recipe that calls for cream. The amount of cream or fat gotten depends on the quantity of cow's milk you use. I used 2 liters of milk and this is the quantity of cream I've gotten. So this is the real milk. You can either drink this or you can use it for yogurt or for any recipe that calls for cow's milk. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video. Give me a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and also remember to subscribe. Bye for now.